Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making soft, white hamburger buns. This homemade bun recipe is free of seed oils and it's perfect for grilling season. Let me show you guys how to make them. So I'm going to use my stand mixer today with the dough hook, but you guys can also make this recipe by hand. So first we're going to add in our instant yeast, and I'm using the Red Star brand today because they make a really good organic yeast. Next, we're going to add in a teaspoon of cane sugar, and then half a cup of warm water. So you don't want your water to be too hot, you want it to be warm. If water is too hot, it can actually kill the yeast. So if you're pulling like hot water from your coffee machine, that is going to be way too hot for this. You just want to get some lukewarm water straight from the sink. So now we're just going to let this sit for a few minutes until the yeast looks bubbly. Once the yeast looks foamy, then we're going to add in 454 grams of bread flour. Then 2 tablespoons of cane sugar, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 cup of warm water. Now we're going to knead this with the dough hook, and you want to be between speed 2 and 4. And you're going to do this for about 5 minutes or until the dough is smooth. So once our dough is ready, we're going to transfer it to a mixing bowl and let it rise. So we're going to cover with a piece of plastic wrap and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 hour or until it's doubled in size. So once our dough has doubled in size, now it's time to form these into our buns. So we're going to flour our work surface and then turn out the dough. Now we're going to divide the dough into 8 equal pieces. You guys can weigh these if you want, or you can just eyeball it too. Then you're going to form each piece of dough into a round ball by tucking the dough under itself and dragging it on the surface to smooth the top. Then we're going to place the dough balls on a baking sheet that's lined with parchment paper. Now that we have our buns all portioned out, we're just going to cover them with a kitchen towel. We're going to let these rise for about 30 minutes or until the dough feels springy. And during this time, you guys can preheat your oven as well. So once the dough feels springy, then these are ready to bake. And now this last part is totally optional, but if you guys want to add some seeds on top, then you can just brush the tops with a little bit of water. And you can sprinkle on sesame seeds or poppy seeds. You can even do like an everything bagel spice mix. It's totally up to you guys. Now we're going to bake these at 425 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes or until they're lightly browned. And look at these gorgeous, fluffy, soft white hamburger buns. These are the perfect thing to make for your next barbecue that will elevate your burgers and sandwiches. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more homemade bread recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.